Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix TikTok maximum number of attempts reach error Android. So if you're interested, let's get started. Now, if you're logging into your TikTok account and you get this specific error here on the TikTok app, well, there are a few meanings or a few things here that you could try doing. Now, let's go first discuss what is the meaning of this. Now, usually, if you are getting the maximum number of attempts reached in TikTok, it means that you may have entered your password or your login details incorrectly too many times. So, meaning, in order for you to resolve this, typically speaking, you just need to wait for a few hours, and typically this will go away itself, and you can just try again logging in with the correct details. Now, if you're really sure that you entered the correct details here, well, in this case, there are other things that you could try doing. So first things first is you want to make sure that your internet connectivity is actually stable. Now, if you have an unstable internet connectivity, it means that's the cause of this issue. So typically speaking, you may want to switch over to a different Wi-Fi connection or try using your mobile data or vice versa here and see if that actually helps. Now, another thing that you could try doing is you may want to clear your cache. Sometimes your cache here or your temporary files that you're going to have on the TikTok app can be the ones causing the problem. So you want to press and hold on the TikTok app here until you see the eye icon. Let's go and click on the eye icon here. Now, you want to go and click on the clear data at the bottom right and click on clear cache and OK. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and open up Google Play Store and you want to go ahead and click on search and you want to look for TikTok. Now, once you find TikTok here, if you do see any update button, go ahead and click on the update button and just wait for it to fully update. Now, once you've updated the TikTok app, you want to start your phone and see if that solves the issue. Now, in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.